Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. And in today's video, we're going to be smashing yet another microwave. But this one's for kids only. No way. Emmett, come look at this. Emmett, come here, come look at this. Look, no, look, for real. I'm being serious. Dang, you thought. What time is it? Alright guys, so like I just said, we're going to be smashing this microwave. This was my sister's, but she broke hers, as you can tell. It doesn't even work anymore, so yeah. And then also another thing I forgot to mention before we began was after the microwave, we're going to be smashing this. Now, I'm not sure what this thing is, but I think it has to do with something sewing because it says Singer on it. So I know Singer is a sewing company, but it does this. Not sure what that's for, but I'm going to be smashing that too. I have no clue what this is for. Probably like a foot pad or something. I don't know. But one thing I could teach about this thing is survival skills. Dang! So that basically just made the door fly off of it. Whole front of it. Now as you can tell, this has no glass on it. And I don't have the bat today, but I have this. On. Well, maybe when an event like this comes along, maybe the grass is greener on the other side. Dang it, I can't get the grass out of this. Now, let's make some pizza rolls now. You still hear it beeping. Oh, where's the speaker at? Let me put it up to the mic. So when I pressed these buttons earlier, they didn't work, but I guess they do now. Hold on. You hear it beep? Huh, time to make some pizza rolls now. Which one's the pizza? There's the pizza. Seems to not be working. Why ain't it starting? Maybe this will help it start. And that's the inner workings of a toy microwave. But when a price like that comes along, let's get back to the video. hear it beeping right now. Let me use the back side now. Dang it. Maybe another from the ground's perspective will work. Why didn't this microwave make my pizza rolls? I'll get that later. There's another one in it. Hope that battery's gone too. Here's the motor for it right here for the gears. Let's go ahead and break that. I accidentally stopped the recording. I think the video stopped recording. I don't think it got all of it, but it probably did. I'm not sure, but anyways, yeah. But I just want to tell you guys something real quick. Honestly, this thing didn't make pizza rolls. It didn't. Make my, I would throw it at the camera, but it's gonna break. Pizza rolls. Ugh. So it didn't make my pizza rolls, huh? Well, will it make this singer? Well, we're gonna see who the real singer is. Oh, I really hope the camera got that. Alright guys, so I just checked that last clip, and it did get where I broke it right here. And as you can tell, this thing right here is a little metal strip thingy, and then whatever this is holding it. This probably would have been something about sewing because it had the Singer logo on it. So I'm pretty sure this was with something, and there's all kinds of metal linings out here, as you can tell. And I have no clue what this is. Try to see if I can get it out. I think I can. No, I can't. Okay, hammer, you know the drill. Hopefully with all this metal, I'm going to be hitting it with this hammer. Hopefully it doesn't cause any sparks. Matter of fact, I'm going to do it on the rocks over here because I don't want it to cause any sparks and catching the oven on fire. So I'm going to do it on the rocks. That's probably just aluminum anyways. This is a manual, I think. No, it ain't. On the way it is. No. Okay, never mind. I thought it was. Yeah, it's just all plastic. Oh, I don't think the camera got that. It just made a spark. I didn't catch the grass on fire. I'll do the back side. There we go. Now for this. Now, what is this about? What the heck is this? So you can still kind of see the Singer logo right there. No clue what that is. Dang it. Alright, I'm not risking it, but come on. Get that out. Oh, what's this thing made out of? Ow. Alright, so I managed to get the hammer to go through it. Alright, and the hammer just went through it. Now, have to get it out. So, this is where the hammer went through it. And yeah. There's still some pieces out here. So let me go ahead and get those. And then the special object the other special object I'm gonna be using is gonna finish all the rest of the stuff off. Right after this commercial break. Ah, what a beautiful day outside today. Birds are chirping and train horns are going over there somewheres. Alright guys, so now that I've finished the all this off, it's time to go ahead and continue breaking all with all of them combined together. So, the tool I'm be using is a tool that I've been using the whole time. And that tool is this guy. And yeah. Yes, it's still here. The markings are still here. Now die, microwave. Okay, I think I had enough for the one day. I was kind of expecting that to hit this telephone pole full of the electricity. And just one more hit on everything with for good luck. And we did a great job. And so, all that being said, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe to the channel. If the comments are even on anymore, I really don't pay attention to them, to be honest. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. And yeah, bye. Well, with everything that happened so far, I'm very surprised that everything went planned. Time to edit that new Timmy video now. So yeah, I just decided to go ahead and just play a little clip for you guys for the next Timmy video coming soon. And if you break my window one more time, I'm gonna viciously cut you with this glass. You understand me?
But Mother, I didn't break it. It was Big Brother that broke it.
Now I don't talk. Oh, so you back talking, eh? Get over here. Get over here. Come here, Timmy. I'm sorry, Mother. I didn't mean to. So this window is basically pretty much broken now.